This is African chicken market here in Orlu. As you can see, the women are doing their job. Everyone is busy. People are buying chicken to make their Sunday dishes, like to cook rice and stew. Here in this part of the world, every Sunday is for rice and stew. So they are buying chicken to make the stew sauce. So they're going to make a chicken sauce to eat their rice. Yeah, it's a fish. Yeah, it's a chicken market. Well, in a normal day, yeah, it's normally busy. But as you can see, it's a Sunday morning. The market is empty. These are few women here doing the business. So like every Sunday, this place is filled with chicken. People come from different parts of Orlu to buy chicken here in Ezachi Central. So I decided to show you guys this place. So, how is it done in your place, in your country, in your state, in your city, in your village? Do they do this kind of a thing? Have you seen something like this before? Here is Nigeria, in the southeastern Nigeria. So this is our culture, this is our way of life. This is Africa. Ọ pụrụ apụ. Ọ na-abịakwa. Ọ na-abịa.